What's up guys, thank you. So the Huawei Mate X foldable 5G smartphone leaks ahead of launch. Both Samsung and Huawei have mostly managed to keep their foldable smartphones under wraps before launch. However, a render of the Samsung Galaxy Fold appeared online a day before its launch, and now an image of the Huawei's first foldable smartphone has been leaked online. According to the leaked image, which seems to have been snapped at Huawei's Mobile World Congress press event venue during preparation, Huawei's foldable device will be called the Huawei Mate X. The image shows several people in construction gear putting up a large poster teasing the device. The image is low resolution and the poster itself is not flat like because it was still in the process of being put up. However, we can say world's fastest foldable 5G phone and Huawei Mate X. The device appears to have a side-mounted fingerprint scanner and a triple camera setup. Unlike the Samsung Galaxy Fold, the Huawei Mate X doesn't seem to have a cover display.